A 15-day extravagant handicraft mela began at Surajkund in Haryana. It's one of the best events which provides a platform to hundreds of craftsmen across India and abroad to display their skills and artistic work. Here's a special report from our correspondent, Prashant Avasthi.
The 23rd edition of Surajkund Mela has started. It was inaugurated by the President of India, Pratibha Singh Patil. Let's find out more about what happened in the Mela. It is curtains up for the 23rd edition of the famed 4-night-long rural craft fair Surajkund Mela at Surajkund on the outskirts of Indian capital. This year, Egypt is the partner country at the fair that has proved to be a viable platform for the artisans not only from India but abroad to showcase their creations, skills and creativity. The exhibitors are happy seeing better response of the public every year.
मैं सोलापुर महाराष्ट्र से आया हूँ, तो अभी तक मैं 2-3 साल हो गया मैं सूरजकुंड में मेला लगा रहा हूँ सर।
लोगों का रिस्पांस कैसा लगा, मतलब क्या क्या पूछते हैं लोग और आपको कैसा लगा सूरजकुंड में इतने साल?
नहीं बहुत अच्छा है सर। बहुत यहाँ का पब्लिक, अभी हरियाणा का पब्लिक और दिल्ली का पब्लिक जो भी है उनको हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। रिस्पांस अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, मेला बहुत अच्छा है। गवर्नमेंट का जो क्राफ्ट को प्रोत्साहन है वो बहुत अच्छा है, एक बहुत अच्छी पहल है, बहुत अच्छा काम है। जो ये गरीब तबका है, जो छुपा हुआ कलाकार है, उसे बाहर लाने के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा काम किया है गवर्नमेंट ने। जो पूरे इंडिया तो आदमी जा नहीं सकता, लेकिन पूरा इंडिया एक जगह आ सकता है, वो सूरजकुंड है।
ये हम हर साल लगाते सर, वो तंजावुर पेंटिंग यहाँ पर हमारा 8 साल से यहाँ लगाया है उन्होंने। ये तंजावुर पेंटिंग बोलते सर, ये पेंटिंग फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु गए हैं। हम तमिलनाडु सारा नेटिव तंजावुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट है। इसमें क्या है सर फैसिलिटी, ये सब रियल गोल्ड लीफ एंड ये सब रियल कुंदन स्टोन एंड ये आर्टिफिशियल डायमंड लगा के बना हुआ है। ये वेरी फेमस पेंटिंग। इसलिए क्या है, अभी कैसा देख रहे हैं वो कितना साल भी चलो ऐसा रहता है। ये वाला चीज़ आप लेके घर में रखेगा, फिर बाद में अगर 50 साल 40 साल चले जाएंगे तो उसके बाद ये बेचने को तो आप बेच सकते हैं। उसका दाम भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, रेयर हो जाएगा, कितना उसका एंटीक हो जाएंगे, उसका वैल्यू ज़्यादा रहता है।
A wide variety of ethnic household materials are on display. Apart from being a temporary heritage site, the fair also turns into a popular picnic spot. Visitors who come regularly to see the fair said that they wait for the fair to buy wooden furniture and handmade painting and wall hangings.
No, this is not my first time. I came 14 years back and I'll generally try to come every year because it's a beautiful exhibit of talent and our culture.
So what do you feel? What particular you feel that it's actually seen in Surajkund Mela?
Because how the artisans, how beautifully the craft work they do, that is something to see, and different states have different kind of materials and different kind of things to display. And that is what is very attractive.
I really like it. I appreciate it because a lot of art to be seen here from different states, and I like to come every year.
These days the malls have taken place.
Yeah.
Coming here and seeing all of the countries seeing in one particular place, what do you feel?
Malls are very, very different, and this is one place where you get all the states you can see, and they are having what type of art. In malls it's not that typical and particular things.
Surajkund Fair, one of the most colourful events organized under the banner of Incredible India, is out to promote tourism. The fair also has cultural programs by artists from different states to showcase Indian culture. The fair also attracts people of different ages.
It's actually very good and very traditional to see things around, and handicrafts are really very good here.
You said your handicraft is very good. What particularly do you like about the handicraft?
Here bed sheets are very good, and wood carvings, things like wood carving you can place in your home, in your drawing rooms and all. Yeah, these things are very good.
ये हमारे सभ्यता की पहचान है। अब मॉल वगैरह में जाओगे, जीन्स कपड़े एवरीथिंग विल गेट, चाइनीज एवरीथिंग, बट यहाँ पे जो मिलेगी वो सबसे अनोखी चीज़ होगी। जो हमारे गांव के लोग, जो हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, वो अच्छी तरह जो बनाते हैं, अपने हाथों की कला जो दिखाते हैं, वो मिलते हैं यहाँ पे। Introduced in 1987, the fair is held every year with the twin objective of highlighting India's handicraft and handloom traditions, provided rural artisans an emerging market. Over the years, the fair has attracted thousands of visitors, both from within and outside India.
Around 400 Indian and 20 international craft persons are participating in this event. For many, seeing the Surajkund Mela is an opportunity to see master craftsmen from all over India at the same venue. For others, it is a chance to rediscover the rich and heritage culture of India. From Delhi, this is Prashant Avasthi with cameraman Surendra Roka for Real State Television.